Now in this the fifth subject of the fifth semester, that is the practical training. In that the first topic is the hierarchy of Indian courts. The Indian judiciary is the guardian of the Constitution of India. For a democracy like India to function effectively, it is imperative to have an impartial and independent judiciary. Considering the size of the country, the Indian judiciary is divided into several levels in order to decentralize and address the matters at the grassroots levels. The judicial system in India is divided into three categories: the apex court or the Supreme Court. Next is the high courts in the respective states and the union territories, and the lower courts at the district level. So, apex court is the Supreme Court of India. The Supreme Court is the highest level of Indian judicial system. It was established under the provision of Part 5th in the Chapter 4th of the Constitution of India. The said provision ratified the concept of the Supreme Court as the federal court, acting as the guardian of the Constitution of the India. It is also the highest court of appeal. Articles 124 to 147 of the Indian Constitution determine the jurisdiction and composition of the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court accepts to hear the appellate matters against the orders passed by the High Court under its power of appellate jurisdiction. The Supreme Court also hears the writ petition under the provision of Article 32 of the Indian Constitution, where there is a suspension of fundamental rights or violation of fundamental rights. There are 30 judges in the Supreme Court, including the Chief Justice of India. The proceeding of the Supreme Court is heard in only English. Article 141 of the Constitution of the India stipulates that the law declared by the Supreme Court shall be binding on all the courts within the territory of India. It is the most senior constitutional court and has the power of judicial review. The Supreme Court, the head is the Chief Justice of India, CJI, which consists of the maximum 34 judge. Means in Supreme Court it consists of maximum 34 judge and has the extensive powers in the form of original, appellate and advisory jurisdictions. It is under the jurisdiction of Ministry of Law and Justice, Government of India. Supreme Court was established on 1st October 1937 as a Federal Court of India. Then on 28 January 1950, it was declared as Supreme Court of India. Motto of the Supreme Court is Yato Dharmas Tato Jayaha. Yato Dharmas Tato Jayaha.